react to the FDA's decision today to withdraw its recommendation for hydrochloroquine and another malaria drug, saying it's no longer considered reasonable as a useful treatment for COVID?
I don't know, I'd like to ask Alex maybe to discuss that.
Sure. So just to clarify, your statement there I don't think was quite accurate in what the FDA's action was. The FDA, at the request of BARDA, which is an agency within HHS, withdrew an emergency use authorization for product that we had acquired into the national stockpile by donation from Bayer of chloroquine that was manufactured in Pakistan. And the EUA, the emergency use authorization, was restricted for hospital use, inpatient hospital use of the product. With the FDA finding that they don't see enough data to support hospital-based use for those who are the most extreme cases of patients who've been hospitalized, they took that restriction off. They took the emergency use authorization off. At this point, hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are just like any other approved drug in the United States. They may be used in hospital, they may be used in outpatient, they may be used at home, all subject to a doctor's prescription. In fact, the FDA's removal of the emergency use authorization takes away what had been a significant misunderstanding by many that had made people think that somehow it could only be used in a hospital setting, and we've tried to make that clear throughout. It's a drug, it's approved in the United States, has been for decades. If a doctor wishes to prescribe it working with the patient, they may prescribe it for any purpose that they wish to do so, and this actually removes a potential barrier to that.
So it actually uncomplicates it.
It does.
In a way, and I think that's probably, your question was a very inaccurately stated question.
I didn't mean to pose it inaccurately. I believe what it said specifically was that it's no longer reasonable to consider it an appropriate treatment.
Only in the hospital, it said the data in the hospital setting was not supportive. We continue to study in outpatient settings as well as preventive. That data is not yet in.
Are you suggesting that the data in the hospital setting is not something you would take seriously?
No, that's why the FDA acted, was that they looked at the data and they removed the emergency use authorization for hospital setting use of the chloroquine that was the Bayer product that had been donated from Pakistan.